In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a link in Constant Contact. Whether you're crafting a compelling newsletter or a marketing email, inserting links allows you to guide your audience to additional resources or drive traffic to a specific landing page. So, let's jump right in and walk through this process together. First things first, you want to open up Constant Contact and navigate to the email editor where you're designing your message. Once you're in, you can select either a block of text or an image to where you want to attach a link. For the purposes of this demonstration, let's say you're using a NASA icon as an example. You'll need to click directly on the block containing this image or text. This action will bring up several options at the top of the editor. Among these options, look for the link icon. It's usually represented by a small chain or link symbol. Clicking this will open up a few choices, one of which is Web Page. Select Web Page, which is ideal for redirecting your readers to an external website or additional resources they might find valuable. As soon as you click on Web Page, you'll notice an Insert Link box appears. It's within this box that you'll enter the URL you intend to link to. You can either type it in manually or, to ensure accuracy and save time, simply paste the link if you've already copied it from your website or another source. Once you've got the correct URL entered, double-check it for any typos or errors. This is crucial because a broken link could lead to a frustrating experience for your viewers and detract from the credibility of your email. After you've made sure everything is accurate, click Insert. This action will attach the link to the selected text or image, transforming it into an interactive element within your email. Powerful, right? Now, whenever recipients open your message and click on that NASA icon, they'll be directed straight to the URL you provided. And there you have it. That's how you insert a link in Constant Contact. With just a few clicks, you've added a new layer of engagement to your email that can significantly enhance the effectiveness of your communication. Remember, the more strategic you can be about the links you choose and where you place them, the more accessible and interactive your content will become. If you have any questions or encounter any hurdles along the way, don't hesitate to reach out for support. Constant Contact has several resources and client services that can offer assistance. Share your thoughts in the comments section if you found this guide helpful, and happy emailing!